If you want to deepen your knowledge of the Italian language and need frontal lessons, visit our website mammamialearnitalian.com or click the link in the description. Hi guys, and welcome to a new lesson of Mamma Mia Learn Italian with me. In today's lesson, cari ragazzi, we learn four different sounds. In reality, they are three, but we'll see why. They are typical in Italian, and I think only in Italian, okay? So there are sounds you have to pronounce correctly in Italian. And by the way, I had another sound that you don't use well. The R that you use right there in the middle of the palate, and we use right here on the teeth. Okay, so the Italian R. So there are four sounds. By the way, let's start. The first sound is the ñ, like in sogno. Sogno is a dream, okay? Ñ. So the combination of G and N, GN becomes ñ. You can find a similar sound in Spanish. The ñ, the N with the wave over it. You can see it there. But we use a combination of letters to convey this sound, and they use the N with the wave. Okay, but it's pretty similar. For example, caña in Spanish. I think it's like that. Ñ, but it's a little more soft. We use a ñ. It's strong. Okay, so sogno, ñ. So the GN. Remember, GN. So if you find something like GN, don't say sogno. I have sogno o sogno. No. Ho sogno. Ho fatto un sogno. Ho fatto un sogno. Non ho fatto un sogno. Okay, no gn. Ñ. You have to ñ. Okay. Then we have two ways to use the C. Two ways. We have a soft C, like in cena, and the strong C, like in chiamata. Cena, we use the definition mute or audible, or I don't know how to say sonora. A strong one and a soft one, okay? So, soft one cena, strong one chiamata, but the strong one is used, most likely, you can even find some k that are not written like k, but are pretty the same sound, okay? So, for example, cacca, chiamata, okay? They have a pretty similar sound, GH and GC, and CC and CH, but they are slightly different, okay? So remember, CH is strong, so it's chiamata, not chiamata, no, chiamata, and not chena, cena and chiamata. When the C is alone, it's more it's more likely that it sounds like ch. When it's with another C or an H, it's more likely that it's spelled k, like K. Okay, so k. Okay, so chiamata and not chiamata. cena e non chena, okay? And cacca. I let you know what's cacca, okay? I won't tell you what it is. Then we have quadro. Quadro, the Q in reality has the same sound as C, maybe a stronger sound, and we use it as in common use, but the pronunciation is in reality a C or a strong C. So quadro, aquila, aquila, it's a strong C. So Q in reality is more similar to a K than to another vowel, letter. We use Q when there's a U, okay? Maybe to enforce this Q sound, but in reality it's like a K. Then really important, DR. Let's make an example. Ramarro. Ramarro. Not Ramaro. Not r. You have the palate R. You use the R in the middle of the palate, okay? R. Or slightly before the middle of the palate. We use the fricative R, so r. We twist the tongue in the little wave that's beneath the teeth. Okay, there's a little circle. Maybe it's better if I draw it. Oh, these are the teeth. Okay, so the palate. Here we have a slight wave, okay, on the palate. We push here with the fricative, so we ramarro, not ramaro, ramarro. Another example, quadro, not quadro, ro. So let's recap. Sogno, not sogno. Cena, not chena. Cacca. Chiamata, not chiamata. Quadro. And ramarro, not ramaro. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this lesson. It was really fun for me. I hope to see you soon in the next one, and that you subscribe to my channel and press the bell button to be noticed about the next lesson, okay? See you soon, guys. Bye.